Hello, I am Zavdan Hazale. Let's start our presentation. Forests cover 31% of the land area on our planet. They produce vital oxygen and provide homes for people and wildlife. Many of the world's most threatened and endangered animals live in these forests. 1.6 billion people rely on benefits forests offer, including wood, fresh water, clothing, traditional medicine, and shelter. So, today my topic is deforestation. The entire area of Azerbaijani forests are now 1,021,000 hectares. This equates to nearly 11.8% of Azerbaijanians' total land area. Next slide. Deforestation in Azerbaijan. Let's look this video.
Münasibətdir. Baxın, traktordan böyük ağaçlardır. Əsas fəaliyyətimiz iri miqyaslı kənd təsərrüfatı layihələrinin ətraf mühitə təsiri və meşə qırğınlarına qarşı mübarizə olmuşdur. Bizim ən belə deyək də uğurlu və məşhur aksiyamız olub meşələri çürümə və ceyranları qoruyaq kampaniyaları. Onlar Qaxda və Şəkidə qış otlaqlarının zəbt olunmasına və meşələrin çürünməsinə qarşı idi. Orada da yüz minlərlə insan buna etiraz edirdi sosial şəbəkələrdə və ciddi nailiyyətlər əldə elədik.
Yes, deforestation. What is deforestation? Deforestation is when humans remove or clear large areas of forest land and related ecosystem for non-forest use. These include clearing for farming purposes, branching, and urban use. In this case, trees are never replanted. The examples of deforestation areas in Azerbaijan: Qax, Şəki, Xaçmaz, Lənkəran, Tovuz, Sumqayıt, Baku. Since the industrial age, about half of world's original forests have been destroyed and millions of animals and living creatures have been in danger. Unfortunately, Azerbaijan is also included despite the improvements in education, information, and general awareness of the importance of forests, deforestation hasn't reduced much. Deforestation greatly influences many lives. For example, in Lənkəran, deforestation contributes to migration and social conflict. Now, I want to talk about the causes of deforestation. The causes of deforestation are fires, agricultural, urbanization, and logging. Next slide. Hundreds of trees are lost each year due to forest fires in various portions of the world. This happens during extreme dry summers and milder winters. 5 years of pressure caused by humans or nature results in a huge loss of forest cover. The main fire reasons in Azerbaijan usually starts in late June and lasts for around 15 weeks. In these seasons, the fires is increased. Between the 7th of December 2020 and the 95th of November 2021, 328 fire alarms were recorded based on high confidence alerts alone. Because of some of them, we lost a lot of trees. When compared to recent years, it is going to go increase because of the climate changing. The next slide. The second cause is about agriculture. Agricultural activities, as earlier due to overgrowing demand for wood products, a huge amount of trees are felled down to grow crops. These type of accidents happened mostly in remote districts, in villages. The other cause is urbanization. Further, in order to gain access to these forests, the construction of roads is undertaken. Here again, trees are chopped to create roads. Overpopulation to directly affects forest covers as with the expansion of cities. More land is needed to establish housing and settlements. Therefore, forest land is reclaimed. Some of the other factors that lead to deforestation are also part of anthropogenic, like the certification of land. It occurs due to the land abuse, making it unfit for the growth of trees. Many industries water chemical release their waste into reserve, which results in soil raising and make it unfit to grow plants and trees. And it's also directly affected forests. These things mostly happened in Absheron region, Baku and Sumgayit. The last one is logging. Apart from these wood-based industries like paper, plastics, furniture also needed a substantial amount of wood supply. It is used also as a fuel, both directly and indirectly. Therefore, trees are chopped for supplies. Firewoods or cartridge are examples of food industries thrived on illegal wood cutting and felling of trees. For example, in the 19th century, because there was no fuel gas in the Taurus region, the locals should use the wood as a fuel, and no new trees were planted in their place. And the results of the it is things is not good. Some areas that used to be forests not longer have greenery. The next slide. Deforestation has environmental and economic impacts. For example, disrupts the water cycle and the carbon cycle. Loss of biodiversity, soil erosion, and poor water quality, and also mostly climate changes. I found some effective solutions for deforestation, government and individuals. Corporations can implement anti-deforestation policies that require suppliers and other stakeholders to operate in ways that don't harm the environment. Also, corporations are huge consumers of paper management, can work towards a paper-free office by shifting towards email and soft copies, and also encourage their employees to recycle. Government can do two things. Firstly, deforestation, the cutting down of trees, must be countered by replacing old on that were cut with young ones. The government has their resources. The second one is support organization that pushed under deforestation. The government has the resources to allow the anti-deforestation organization to get their sphere of influence. This is a good way to directly solve deforestation. For ecological deforestation to the end, paper consumption must be drastically reduced. Opting for paperless bills, checks, and payments significantly contributes towards ending the harmful effects of deforestation. In conclusion, deforestation is very harmful to our community and to other communities around the world. We will reject and avoid causing deforestation by recycling our papers and not throwing it away from. Because then in the future, more trees will be need to be cut down. So if we just keep using paper, it will be more sustainable for our environment. The local effect it has on our environment is that decreases oxygen for inhalation, while trees absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen for living organisms, like human beings and wildlife. You can save lives of living species, recycle your paper, and say no to deforestation. That's all. Thanks for watching.